Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can create an aesthetic video frame on CapCut. So go to overlay, add overlay, and I'm just going to select a white picture. Then I'm going to go to mask and I'm going to select circle. You can resize it if you want, like by doing like this. And I'm just gonna put it right here. And I'm just going to copy it. Oops, sorry. Let me just redo that. Okay, there. And then I'm just going to add another one. And select mask and select circle. Oops. And I'm going to move it right about here, and I'm just going to press the check mark button. Once you're done, you're going to add in an overlay. I'm going to add in some pictures. And then I'm going to again add like the circle mask. And then I'm going to put it like here. I'm going to then add another picture. And I'm going to use mask again to, oops, sorry. Hopefully this is like a similar size. It's a little bit too big, so we're just going to make it smaller like so. Once you're done, you are just going to add stickers. So go to stickers, and then I like to choose one from here. It is very cute. I'm just going to add stickers here, like a lovely day. And let me just put this one up here and this one kind of over here. Like so. The sticker's a little bit like bugging right now, but you're just going to add in stickers to decorate it. And that's basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!